Yeah. So that's the big thing I spoke about in the last video. Um, what's the saying? Let me explain. Well, yeah. I did make a promise in a video and I have kept to that. I will leave the video up the top. I've got a real camera changing issue. So I made a promise to myself to stay with Fuji for at least 6 months, and I have done that. Currently filming on the X-T4, but we have a new arrival. The twin sister! Or brother, whatever. So the reason for this purchase is that family members are really getting into photography as well, and one camera has just been really annoying. As in, we love the camera, the Fuji X-T4, but just having one is, we're switching hands, trying to switch cards. It's just been crazy. So I have been thinking, I really have been tossing up between three, all Fuji as promised. At the time I made that video, by the way, the one I just linked above, I already sort of knew I'll probably be getting a second camera just for family and as well as filming my own videos with two cameras so I can show you things on the X-T4. So that's why I didn't say I promised to stay with the X-T4, but in the end it ended up being another X-T4. So the cameras I've been tossing up between are the Fuji X-E4 and the X100V. I decided in the end to go with this one because it would be sort of a bit of a downgrade, and I just know I'll miss some of the features. So I decided, I've never had two identical cameras. I've had the Sony A64 and 6600 at the same time, and I found that the buttons were slightly different. I've also had the X-T4 and the X-T3 at the same time, and switching between them, there's some sort of muscle memory that happens, and I've always wanted to have two identical cameras, so this is why this has happened. And I thought I would take you through the unboxing, even though I've done an unboxing on the first one that I got about 10 months ago now. I think it was last September. So it's been going great and I love it, and that's why I've got a second one. And let's have a look what's inside, and I will chat to you while I do that. So the box is really cool, just super minimalistic, black. Oh, I should show you that, shouldn't I? We're upside down. So there's some specs. I'm so excited. I kind of feel like guilty, you know, like I've got two cameras and other people can't have cameras, but hopefully I can bring the joy of photography and filmmaking to other people through this channel and inspire them to also get gear and shoot and stuff. So what have we got here? We've got a little sort of QR code that gives you the manual. Yeah, I think, oh no, the manual's still here. What have we got? We've got just some bits and pieces, specifications, the manual all sealed up. I actually really like getting a manual. Well, let me open it. I don't know, there's something about paper, isn't there? Do you feel the same? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. I love the digital age, but there's something about a book. I don't know. So yeah, oh, it smells good too. I just love paper. I don't know. I've done a bit of graphic design stuff in the past, and I don't know, there's just something about paper and logos and print. But yeah, so it's a full manual, which is awesome. And what else have we got here? Some software, free editing software, and just bits and pieces, the usual sort of stuff. And that takes us past the first tier. Da-da-da-dum. Let's see what we get. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't drop it. Oh no, it's just come off. I thought it was like a little, oh, there she is. Let's take her out. Probably really loud with my new mic. Let me just take the wrapping off. So excited, my hands are sweating. Anyway, here we go. Oh. There it is. Probably that way is better, isn't it? And there. So I'll give you a little tour. We'll just see what else came with it. I'm sure it's the same as the other box, but so tier number 3, just taking it out. From memory, this is all the cords. So, yep, strap, nice and thick. Although I'm using Peak Design straps at the moment, I've just ordered one, so that'll be coming to the unboxing as well. We've got USB, what have we got? USB-C, isn't it? USB-C to USB-C. And wall charger. It's not very exciting, is it? You can barely see it. Just a wall charger that goes into there. I can unwrap them all, but it's not very exciting. Battery, which we will need, is the, I think it's the W235 from memory. These batteries are really good. Yeah, they last a while. I've got a spare for the current camera, and I bought a spare for that one, which I'll unbox as well in another video to show you and talk about the batteries. And this one is the little connector that allows you to use the USB-C socket on the camera to plug in a mic, because there's no mic port as such. Now let me show you. So obviously all the dials on top, which Fuji is really known for, which are so cool because you can just turn really quickly all your 3 main settings, as well as your aperture at the front on the lens. You've got buttons there that turn as well as push in on that side as well. Got the flippy screen, of course, which articulates all the way. And down here you've got your ports. I'll show you those quickly. Oh, it's getting dark, isn't it? I might have to pop the ND filter up a little bit. Here we go. And on that side we have, oh sneaky, we've got the serial number. I'll have to block that up. But yeah, there we go. We've got some ports for the cards, so 2 card slots. And what else down the bottom? You've got the battery compartment. So yeah, that will go in there. Boom. Supposed to probably charge it. Anyway, yeah, so that's the camera, and they're my reasons why I bought it. I might do some more videos sort of talking about the different decisions I've made, etc. Let me know if you're interested in those. And yeah, I'll look forward to doing some more things now that I've got 2. I can show you more things about the X-T4. Previously I was trying to film on the iPhone and it's just really annoying, so now I'll be able to zero in on a few things. I've also bought a couple of lenses, but more on that in the next few videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, then give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you want to, of course, you don't have to. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!